Premium quality. Long lifespan matters. That is why our tailgate latch lock actuator is crafted from rust-proofing steel housing to provide maximum durability. OEM design. This rear latch is manufactured to the OE specification to provide factory-fresh appearance and direct fit that enables proper door locking function. OE connector helps ensure a solid, positive connection. Fitments. Replacement for 2009 to 2012 Ford Escape, 2009, 2010, 2011 Mercury Mariner, 08, 09, 10, 11 Mazda Tribute. Engineered with dependable electronic motor and latch mechanism to ensure more efficient and sleek operation. Replace OE number 9L8Z784315B, 9L8Z784315B, 937 to 663. The rear hatch latch has went through vehicle try-on testing, means you will get a fairly reliable back door lock to perform excellently under all operating conditions. 24 month warranty. If for any reason at all, you are not fully satisfied with the rear hatch actuator, you can rely on our service of free replacement or refund. Top reviews from the United States. Easy fix. This works perfectly as a replacement for the original part. In my case it was 2 Ford Escapes. Both were model year 2010 and they both failed in 2022. There are a few YouTube videos what show you how to change it out. Takes 20 to 30 minutes. I shudder to think how much a dealer or mechanic would charge for this fix. This is a real money saver and pretty much anyone can do it.